Hey guys, how are you? And welcome back to my channel. And today's video, I'm gonna give you this look. And this is a series that's 5 days before Thanksgiving. So I guess tomorrow or today, is it Thanksgiving today? So I'm thankful for all of you guys. And this video is a collab. I'm thankful to Natasha for collabing with me on these 5 days of tutorials before Thanksgiving. And I just hope that you enjoyed both of our looks. We are different people, different skin tones, different hair color, different eye color, and that's just a beautiful thing with a collab. Every time I want to do a collab and every time I think about wanting to do a collab with a YouTuber that probably doesn't know me, I always think about how different we are so that you guys can get variety because we're all different, and that way you can see tips and tricks from different skin tones, different skin types, different weathers. And that for me, it's the beauty of YouTube is that you can find people that are so different, loving sometimes the same thing for different reasons, and how different people can make a product work for them regardless of their differences. Take a shot every time I say difference. Okay, so go to Natasha's channel and subscribe to her. So before we go, just go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you want to see this beautiful orangey purple look, then just keep on watching. So my eyes are already primed with a concealer. So I'm going to go in with Warmth, which is this shade right here, and put it as a base for my lid. I always forget how beautiful Tarte shadows are. They blend beautifully and they build easily, and the fallout is not crazy for sure. You can see I have no fallout. And the Anastasia by Carly Bible caught me by surprise, really, because I know Anastasia has a soft formula, but that was over the top fallout. To darken the look a little bit, I'm gonna go in with Cozy, which is this darker shade right here. And I'm gonna put it more towards the outer part of my eye. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of concealer with a synthetic brush. This is the MAC 252, and I'm gonna cut my crease to add some glitter and pigment to it because I want this to be a vibrant, full blown out orange smoky look. This used to be basically my signature look, which is funny. And I'm gonna be doing one eye at a time because I don't want the concealer to set and then the product won't have anything to stick to. I truly want the glitter and the pigment to stick to the concealer. So the pigments that I'm gonna use are two. I'm gonna use Vegas Light by Makeup Geek, which is this orangey fiery shade. And I'm also gonna use Sophia from COLLAB. And this is, I know this is hard because pigments are crazy, but this is how beautiful this pigment is. And I'm grabbing this tiny brush, which you always see on my tutorials. This is the Morphe 213. And I'm not gonna wet it or anything. I'm just gonna grab it, tap off the excess, and I'm gonna press it on the concealer. Now for the glitter, I'm gonna go in with the Lit Clearly Liquid Glitter Base, and this is my favorite glitter glue. You can see how I've used it a ton. And I'm gonna wet the brush, put it just in the place where I don't have any glitter or pigment, right here. And now I'm gonna go in with Sophia and press it right there. And you know what? I'm gonna take that to the end of the eye. I think it would look prettier if I would do just a glittery look until the end. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go and grab Flame, which is this color right here, and I'm gonna blow out my lower lash line with that one, and the pencil brush by Wayne Goss, the 05, which is my favorite pencil brush of all time. You can basically see that this shadow is as potent as the pigment. So it's really, really pigmented and beautiful, but it has sort of a deeper tone to it, more of a bricky tone, and this is more orange. Now that I'm doing this video, I keep thinking that I need to pan this palette, and the thing is that I wouldn't want to just have this palette because the color scheme is so similar. I wouldn't want to have it on the project by itself, but I could bring the Mario palette and this one together, and that way I know I will pan more shadows because those shadows will complement this beautifully. So what do you guys think about that? Would you like a pan those palettes video? Let me know. Now for more depth, before we go into the dark color of the palette, I'm gonna go in with the Sephora liner, the black one. And these I'm gonna use to tightline my upper and lower waterline. In my opinion, that makes a huge difference, but if your eyes are closed naturally, then just put these in the upper lash line to make your lashes look fuller, but use a nude in your lower lash line. Now I'm gonna go in with Fireside, which is the deepest shade right here, to just define my liner and smudge it out a little bit. I always basically use the same techniques on my eyes because I think it's the most flattering for me. I used to do a lot of wing liner, but it's not my thing anymore. I don't find it realistic anymore for me and my lifestyle. It takes a while to do it, even if you have practice. Wing liner, for them to look the same, sometimes it can take longer. And I just got over it. I felt like I was naked without it, and I decided that I didn't need to feel that way. So I stopped using it every day, and I love the switch. And sometimes I will use it when I have a special event. I will definitely wear a wing liner most of the time. But I love the eye look that looks just rounded and pretty, like the one that I'm wearing today, just more defined with a lot of mascara, and you can even wear lashes with it. So I'm gonna just go in and define with the Morphe M508. You can see what my favorite brushes are because I show them in every video, and I truly use them in real life in every single time I do my makeup. And now I'm gonna do the same on the lash line on top, and always tap off the excess because you will have glitter on top of the brush. And it's better to have it on top of the brush than on top of your face because glitter is a little bastard. So you need to just be careful on top of the brush and just remove the glitter from the brush instead of letting the glitter fall down your face. So yeah, I could definitely pan that palette. It's so beautiful. I'm happy that I did this because I chose it out of nowhere. I was just looking for a different color scheme, even for the ones that I filmed that you guys didn't get to see because I lost all my footage. I was just looking for something different, and then I was like, I haven't used this palette in a while, so I decided to pull it out, and I'm so happy that I did. I'm gonna grab a little bit of Fireside, again the deep shade, and another one of my favorites, the Morphe M506, which is a tiny tapered blending brush, and I'm gonna darken a little bit of the corner so that the eyes get more depth and they look more of a night out type of makeup. Just a tiny bit. I don't need it to be crazy because I want my glitter to stand out. Now you guys know the drill. I'm gonna go in with my Voluminous Primer by L'Oreal and my Definite Seals Mascara by Lancome, which is about to be done. And I'll be right back because mascara is just mascara. And since this is my last look, I want to go bold on my lips. So I'm gonna go in with Ofra Cape Town and in the center Orchid by Bite Beauty. Okay, now I'm gonna go in all over my lip with Cape Town because this Ofra lipstick was a different tone than I thought it was gonna be. So I'm just gonna apply this one all over my lips. So this is the finished look. I ended up loving it. I love the purple tones on the lips and then the orangey tones on the eyes. It's just so stunning and bold. You guys know that I always prefer sort of a softer look, but then today I was thinking that the video from yesterday, the lip could have been better. The lip could have been an orange lipstick. So since I didn't do that yesterday, I wanted to do a bold lip today. So that way we can have looks for people that are not that bold and people that are bolder, or people that just want to empower themselves and be bolder like I am today, because this is not the look that I wear for sure. Oh my god, I almost forgot that I needed to put it in a corner highlight. So that's just something that I do all the time because it opens up my eyes. So I'm gonna go in with Candle and Simmer and I'm gonna mix them together and I'm gonna use that as my inner corner highlight. That's better. That's way better. Hey guys, so that's everything for the video. I loved using this palette for sure, and I think I'm gonna do that pan those palettes type of video after I pan every shade of the Modern Renaissance. You're gonna see an update on that pan that palette video pretty soon. I'm really happy that I got to do this collab. I'm grateful for all of you guys. I'm grateful for 14,000 subscribers. I think we are a lovely community, the panning community, the low buy, no buy community, and just my community here on this channel. I really love you guys, and I hope you know how much I appreciate you, because I truly do not do this for the money, because I make none. I just want to connect with people that love the same thing that I love, because I do have makeup clients and they like getting their makeup done, but they're not necessarily a makeup fanatic or a makeup fan. And I truly adore makeup and sharing what I know and what I learn on makeup with you guys. It's lovely to be able to have friends that like the same things as you do, and I don't have any friends that love makeup in real life. And this is real life, so thank you so much. I'm grateful for you guys. And before you go, don't forget to go and subscribe to Tash. She's amazing. I'm thankful that she decided to go in this collab with me, and that we use different products, and that she decided to just be creative. And so did I. You can see it from this look. Let's just leave an orange or a purple emoji, whichever one you prefer, because of this look. And just leave, please, below something that you're thankful for. Whatever it is, I would love to know that, because being thankful makes your life better. So that's it for this video, you guys. I'm gonna leave everything below, including Tash's link for her channel. And I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.